What's up? What's up? All right, y'all. Let's go over these updates. Um, so I guess we'll start off at EuroCAD. So for this one, EuroCAD towards the beginning of the week, which is still the beginning of the week, we were kind of looking for a sell down from this range. So we got literally the put. When I tell y'all, I made an announcement to the team that we're gonna go ahead and close out at 1.43330. We came one pip away, and then it turned back around. Where is it? It's like one or two pips away, and then it turned back around, and then it closes back at entry. So as long as price action does not break above this level, and arguably this could be wave one here, this could be two, this would still be three, this would still be four. So regardless, this would still be three or four. It's just questionable if this is one and two or if this is one and two. Overall, I would say as long as price action does not break into this level, it should continue that fall at least to this area. Again, this is a buy trade. So we were just looking to scout the intra from the wave forward down into the buy. So seeing that Euro USD is ready for the drop, this could influence Euro CAD to start falling down. We do have CAD news tomorrow, so I think that's going to be a key catalyst for us. So I expect some type of impulsive move uh, within the next 24 hours from that news tomorrow for CPI. So that is EuroCAD update. As far as right now, everything is still good. As far as on structure, it's still holding the same range. So and it can even go, since it has formed a resistance, it can go up to quickly take that and then drop. So that's a possibility. But as long as it holds this range, it's still valid. And we're still waiting on the buys. So I'm still going to be buying this once we get down to this range. USD cash. So this one's looking kind of ugly. Um, the way it's moving right now, just from experience, this is not a price action move that wants to move up. If it is to go up, it would need to have some type of move now. And the news event is not until tomorrow. CPI is not until tomorrow. So this is more than likely going to continue to either trickle down or it would just impulsively push up now. Why? I don't know. But it's already dug too deep to me to still consider this valid for a B. So if anything, this wouldn't be an ABC. At most, we're looking at a double bottom, but we might end up dropping down into this range to end up forming this, and then that take off to overall respect this price action structure that we are forming here. So that's a possibility just because of how it's starting to break into this range down here. Once it gets so close, it's pretty much going to break it. So it's at that point to where it's pretty much going to break it. So it either shoots up now or it breaks it. So that is the update on USD CAD. We have no trade on this right now. NZD CHF. So we were looking to sell this down. My alert literally went off. I did not sell this. I don't know why. I just did not sell it. Um, I know I gave y'all an update this morning, but I didn't see it coming. I just did not see it coming, y'all. I missed this one. So it is what it is, but it went perfect. Popped into the range and it dropped down for that wave four, which gave us about a 40 plus pip drop so far. GBP USD. So this one ended up breaking up into the range. So from this morning, we were looking at price action to end up shooting up continuously from here. So it ended up continuously pushing up. So let me update all of this. Clear this up for y'all. So we'll more than likely be going to tag this zone and then dropping. I honestly can't even say that that's what that's going to be as far as for ABC here. So it doesn't even look like we're going to be getting that type of pattern. So what I'll be looking for is just a sweep in this area Right now, once we sweep the area, I want y'all to just kind of take it piece by piece because there's a few key levels that we could end up just popping back up from. So this could be one, this would be a secondary level, and then this is the third level. So for now, let's try to take it from here to here. We should get a reaction off of this range regardless, and you should be able to at least get a push down for 30 pips or what 26 pips or so for the target one, 60 plus pips for target two, and then 100 plus for target three. I'm personally not going to be trading this one. I'm not really focused on this, just kind of watching structure. So Euro USD, we are now active in this bad boy. We look for price action to take a few of these levels, key levels, sweep some liquidity, and it went for it. So we are now making that rejection. I am looking for an impulsive break towards the downside from this area. We could see possibly maybe one more breakup, but I really don't want to see a deep breakup. Ultimately, we need to respect this range. But as of right now, it's doing perfect for us, and we should be looking to snipe this one. So that's Euro USD, just a short-term sell until we look to buy it later on throughout the week. Odd USD. So we pushed up into the range. We're starting to get that reaction. This could be the area that we drop, seeing that we are also looking for that drop on Euro USD. Mainly, we need the DXY to react here, which I'm about to go over with y'all. But Odd USD, we are looking for potentially another push down into this range here. Make sure this is on here. All right, cool. CAD CHF. So this one, I mean, I'm just marking up stuff everywhere. Uh, so this one, where we were looking for towards the beginning of the week, was for price action to drop down into this range, take liquidity, and then head up. Again, this is kind of heavily based on the news as well. So seeing that we have news tomorrow, um, it depends on where this is. So if it's down here by tomorrow, then we'll more than likely be going to take the low and then shooting up. If it's up here by tomorrow news, then we'll more than likely be dropping down. So because of where it hasn't got anywhere since market open, I really don't know on this one as of right now because it's kind of in between. So I needed to get somewhere and get somewhere fast. And preferably I needed to have broken the level before the news tomorrow. Um, so that's what I'm looking for on that one. If y'all are new to the streams, making sure y'all are following us on TradingView. That way y'all don't miss out on any future streams. As well as if you scroll down on your screen, you'll see the link to our website. You have our Telegram free chat room community, as well as our email. If you guys have any questions, just shoot me an email. The broker that I use, as well as our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and our website. All of that information is down below for y'all. The broker that I am using right now is a good broker, and it's also regulated as well. So that link is down below in the bio if y'all are looking for a good regulated broker that does accept the United States residents. Link down below. I got y'all. So DXY looking good in the support area. Price action is holding. So as long as we continue to hold here, I'm going to be looking for price to head up. The key catalyst for DXY is it has to stay above 106.117. I'm sorry, 106.017. So as long as it stays above this level, it should take off towards the upside. If it does break below this level, we are looking to expect price action to lead into 105.300. So it should just shoot up. Let's hope that it just shoots up because that's going to give us a good, nice push on Euro USD until we get to potentially this range, and then we might see a reaction here. I'm not sure. I'll update y'all once we get here, but that's what I'm looking for so far. JPY. So this is kind of an extra that I went through with y'all. I think on Sunday, or yeah, Sunday I think. Um, so we were looking for a retracement up into this range and then another push down. So it has retraced up here. It could be the area that it does drop from. So we might end up also seeing a little bit more price action and then that drop. But as of right now, it's looking good. So if y'all do want to look at this opportunity, it is something for y'all to check out. Euro JPY. So this is our first loss for this week. We took a 26 pip loss on Euro JPY. Is what it is. I was looking for this level to actually hold for the fourth wave, but it actually broke above and tapped too deep into two. So it looks like we're not going to be getting a wave structure here. Price section wise, this does need to drop down and fill this level. We could potentially be forming a head and shoulders. We just might have went for a little bit more of a deeper retracement than I wanted to see. So let's see how price action reacts. Ultimately, as long as price action stays below this level, we should drop. I really shouldn't have gave y'all this trade in the first place because this pair has been very choppy for a minute. So let me show y'all. Like literally, just been sideways for since what uh, the 1st of September, y'all. It's just been going sideways since the 1st of September. So literally since the 1st of September, it's been going sideways, and then even in this range, it's just a bigger sideways movement, and even right before that, it was just a bigger sideways movement. So I don't even know why I even gave y'all this, but it is what it is. I'm just looking to trade the range, as y'all can see, just within that sideways movement. But this is more than likely going to continue to play sideways. Max range is going to be here on the drop for this one. So if we do push up a little bit more, it would be a wick to this area and then a drop. So that's what I'm looking for on your JPY. If it does push up more, it should push here and then drop, or it would just drop from here. Let's see what else. Make sure I went over everything, all these updates with y'all. What is gold doing? So long term, we are expecting gold to head into this range. We have been buying gold since this down here. I've been keeping y'all updated. So we are literally up over 1,000 pips. It's pushed about 1,100 pips, so it's looking real good. Let's see what else. Uh, so now I was looking at a reaction in this range. It's kind of already reacted and dropped probably I think 100 pips. Yeah, it's already dropped 100 pips. It could come back up here and then drop again. That is possible, but I'm personally not going to be trading it. Again, right now my main focus is Euro, USD. So this went great. I gave y'all this update, and I let y'all know that we're probably going to end up playing this channel as we continue the choppy movements towards the downside. So it's playing that channel. So that's looking good. What is this? Eurocat. Okay, yeah, this is the one we're waiting on. Already updated y'all on that. Let's see. So Euro odd. I did give y'all Euro odd this week. So we are looking at Euro odd to drop down. And this wave B went good. So far that wave B actually went pretty nice to take a new low. Just for entry perspective. So that's 30 pips alone. Pretty nice move. And we tapped the first zone. I am expecting a little bit more downside on this. Euro USD could drop this with it before looking to go on the upside. Can't see a check. We already went over that. Already went over AU. That's pretty much it, y'all. So that's all the updates, man. Just want to hop on, give y'all some updates so y'all are aware of where everything is right now. So y'all not just completely blind. We do have a lot of setups, so just gonna keep y'all in the loop. As of right now, everything's still structurally intact. Um, every single pair, even the only one that hit stop loss, which was Euro JPY, structurally is still intact. So as long as it doesn't break out of that consolidated range, it's still good for another drop towards the downside. So again, if y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView so that y'all don't miss out on any future streams or any chart ideas that I post to the team, as well as follow us on Telegram. The link is below. It's a free Telegram chat room community, as well as our website is down below and our email. That's all I got for y'all, man. Peace out.